Hello friends, myself Murari Radharaman Devangan. I am working as an assistant professor at Bharati College of Pharmacy, Chandkuri, Durg. In this video, I will discuss about factor affecting preservative efficacy, which is a part of preservation of pharmaceutical product. The link for part 1 is given in description, so you can get that link for video part 1. Topic to be discussed in part 2. In this video, we will only discuss about factor affecting preservative efficacy. Factor affecting preservative efficacy. The major reason for a preservative not attaining an effective concentration in aqueous phase is interaction with many substances available in dosage form or available in container. So the interaction occur maybe its interaction with emulsions. Second factor may be solubility in oils. Third reason may be suspended solids or presence of suspended solids. Fourth reason may be interaction with the container. Fifth reason is pH of the formulation. So these are the factors which mainly affect the preservative efficacy. But if we talk about prepared pharmaceutical preparations, the factor may be categorized or the mainly factors or the preservative efficacy may be affected by following factors. The first factor may be interaction with formulation components. The second one is properties of preservatives. Third one is effect of containers. Fourth one is types of microorganisms. Fifth one is influence of pH. The first factor that may affect preservative efficacy is interaction with formulation component. The components of the formulation can interact with the preservatives and can alter or affect the preservative efficacy. These components may be hydrocolloids, for example methyl cellulose, polyvinyl pyrrolidine, alginates and tragacanth can interact with preservatives and diminish their preservative activity. Tablet additives. In case of tablets, many tablet additives cause problem in tablet preservation due to their interaction with added preservatives. Next may be active ingredients. Therapeutically active ingredients such as sulfadiamidine, kaolin, magnesium silicate in the form of suspended solid also reduce preservative concentration by absorption. So maybe the presence of this substance may reduce the concentration of preservative and affect their preservative efficacy. The second factor which affect the preservative efficacy is properties of the preservatives. So the properties of the chemical agents that used as preservative can also affect the preservative efficacy. These properties can defined by showing relationship with solubility. Homogeneous distribution of the preservative is depend on solubility in the bulk phase in multiple phase system. Hence, the solubility can also affect the property of preservative property of preservatives. Second one is pH. Some chemicals such as chlorobutanol may hydrolyze on storage if the pH is unfavorable. So the unfavorable pH environment for the preservative may also affect the efficacy of preservatives. Third one is container components. There may be a reaction of preservative with substance leached from the container and lose its antimicrobial activity. So the interaction of preservative with container component may also affect the preservative efficacy or preservative activity. The third factor is effect of containers. Containers and closure may cause contamination of pathogens. Screw scraped containers and cork are the common source of mold spores. So the contaminated container also contributes in affecting the preservatives efficacy or the preservative activity. So the container must be free from contaminated substances. Types of microorganisms. Plant product may contain pathogenic microorganisms from the soil. For example, Clostridium species, Bacillus anthracis. This soil microorganism can cause spoilage of pharmaceutical product. Soil microorganisms are common in dust which gain access to preparation during process or packaging. So this microorganism can also contaminate the prepared finished pharmaceutical product. Many products prepared from animal source may contain pathogens like Salmonella typhi. Spores of tetanus and gas gangrene have been isolated from genetic. So this isolated microorganism can also affect the preservatives efficacy. Influence of pH. That how pH can affect the preservatives efficacy. Adjustment of the pH of a solution may affect the chemical stability. If you adjust the pH of a solution according to the formulation, the stability or the antimicrobial activity of preservative may also alter. For example, benzoic acid, which is a weak acid preservative, mainly required to be predominantly in a undissociated form in order to exert antimicrobial activity. So change in pH may cause ionization या फिर dissociation of this benzoic acid can lead to lesser in preservative activity. Quaternary ammonium compounds. Quaternary ammonium compounds are more active at higher pH value. If you reduce the pH or to alter pH at lower level, the preservative activity of ammonium compound may affect. Thank you so much for watching. So all this about the factor affecting preservative efficacy. Thank you so much.